Good day, guys. So today we will discuss how to find the equation of the line using the intercept form. Okay, so what is the intercept form of equation of the line? So it is written in the form x over a plus y over b is equal to 1. A here is the x-intercept. So when we say x-intercept, y is 0 and you have a value for x. So it is a point that is found along the x-axis. And b is the y-intercept. So in this case, our x coordinate is 0. Okay, and then we have the value for the y coordinate. So it's 0, y, and it is a point that is found on the y-axis. So let us have the following questions. Determine the general equation of the line with integer coefficient. Here, a is greater than 0, meaning a is positive, satisfying the following conditions. Question number 1. Has x-intercept of -5 and y-intercept of 2? Okay, so how do we do that? The first thing that we have to do is to start with the given formula. So that would be x over a plus y over b is equal to 1. Don't forget that it is equal to 1. Okay? So it says here the x-intercept is -5. So our a is -5 and y-intercept, which is b, is 2. Okay, so we will just substitute it. So x over -5 plus y over 2 is equal to 1. And then we multiply them by the LCD. Okay, so that is a number that is divisible by 5 and 2. So I'll multiply both sides by 10. Okay, so what will happen is 10 multiplied to x over -5 plus 10 multiplied to x or y over 2 is equal to 1 times 10. Okay, so here 10 and -5 will be cancelled. Okay, so we will have -2. So -2x, and then 10 and 2 will be cancelled, so that would be 5 is equal to 1 times 10, which is 10. Okay, take note that for general equation of the line, the a should be positive. A is the coefficient of x. Okay, so we multiply the whole thing by -1. So this will become 2x minus 5y is equal to -10. Okay, and then we will just add 10 to both sides or transpose -10. So that's 2x minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, then you always check the coefficients. 2, 5, and 10, they are not divisible by a certain number. Okay, so this will be our final answer. Question number 2. Has x-intercept of 3 and y-intercept of -4 over 7? Okay, so in this case, our a is 3 and our b is -4 over 7. So that would be x over a plus y over b is equal to 1. Okay, so it's x over 3 plus y over -4 over 7 is equal to 1. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do here is to fix the second term. So that would be x over 3 plus y time, wait, let me erase that. It should be y. Okay. Y times, now we get the reciprocal of negative 4 over 7. Don't forget that reciprocal is you interchange the numerator and the denominator. So it's negative 7 over 4 is equal to 1. Okay. So I'll just copy x over 3. Then the second term now will become minus. So, or negative. So, minus 7 over 4 y is equal to 1. Okay, now, look at the denominator. We have 3 and 4. So, you think of the smallest number that is divisible by 3 and 4. Okay, so that would be, very good, that would be 12. So, we multiply both sides by 12. Okay, so I'll just show you how to distribute 12 to each term. So that would be 12 times x over 3 minus 12 times 7 over 4y is equal to 1 times 12. So here, 12 and 3 will be cancelled. So 3 will become 1, 12 will become 4. So I'll have 4x. Then 12 and 4 will be cancelled. 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. And then we multiply 3 and 7, which is 21. Y is equal to 12. Okay, and then we will just transpose 12. So we'll have 4x minus 21y minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, so our A is positive 4. Then 4, 21, and 12, they are not divisible by a certain number. So this will be our final answer. Question number 3. Passing through 0, 7 and negative 1/3 0. Okay, so how do we answer this one? Okay, so here we have a value for y, which is 7. Okay, so 7 is our, because this is x and y, right? Okay, so 7 is our B, or our y-intercept. Okay, and then this is x and y. Okay, so our y is 0. Therefore, negative 1/3 is our x-intercept. So, x-intercept is A. So, that's negative 1/3. Okay, and then again, we will just use our formula. Oops. Okay, so our formula is x over A plus y over B is equal to 1. So that is x over negative 1/3 plus y over B, which is 7, is equal to 1. Okay, so in this case, we have to fix the first term. Okay, so our first term will become x times the reciprocal of negative 1/3, which is negative 3 over 1. Then copy the rest. Okay, and then we'll just simplify the first term. So x times negative 3 over 1 is negative 3x, then plus y over 7 is equal to 1. Okay, so here we multiply both sides by 7 because 7 is our only denominator. So we have 7 times negative 3x plus 7 times y over 7 is equal to 1 times 7. Okay, and then let's simplify. So negative 21x plus 7 will be cancelled. So we're left with y is equal to 7. Okay, now since our a is negative, so we multiply all of them by negative 1. So we're left with 21x minus y is equal to negative 7. And then we transpose negative 7. So our final answer will become 21x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, so this will be our final answer. Okay, so this is our last example. So passing through 1/2 0 and 0 3/4. Okay, so let us determine which is the x and which is the y-intercept. Okay, so this one is x0. Okay, so this will be our x-intercept. Okay, so 1/2 is x-intercept and x-intercept is a. So this is 0 and y. Okay, so 3/4 is our y-intercept. Okay, now let us use the formula x over a plus y over b is equal to 1. So that would be x over 1/2 plus y over 3/4 is equal to 1. Okay, and then let us fix the equation. So x times reciprocal of 1/2 is 2 over 1 plus y times reciprocal is 4 over 3 is equal to 1. Then we will rewrite it as 2x plus 4 over 3y is equal to 1. We now multiply it by the LCD, which is 3. Okay, so our working equation will become 3 times 2x plus 3 times 4 over 3y is equal to 1 times 3. Okay, so 3 times 2 is 6x plus the 3 will be cancelled. So we'll have 4y is equal to 1 times 3, which is 3. So our final answer will become 6x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. So this will be our final answer.